Now, it appears that the market is taking this report seriously, that the iPhone is going to Verizon as well.
Right. And she mentioned RIM a minute ago, BlackBerry. Yeah. I kind of think that they're the left-out partner over here. They're going to continue to struggle. Their stock hasn't reflected anywhere near this type of activity that Apple has, Verizon has, or Google has. And if you look deeper into the situation, Stuart, we really have a battle between Google and Apple. Verizon, AT&T, these guys are going to continue to benefit, but it's the operating systems. And isn't it interesting that Google's Android sold more phones last quarter than the iPhone?
Okay, I'm interested in Apple. We've been following this stock day by day. Well, we've seen this thing go straight up.
It's the number one most popular stock in the world today, right? So
yeah. And do you have a price target for it? It's way above 330 now.
Yeah, well, I think shorter term, meaning anywhere from now for the next 6 weeks, Stuart, I think people ought to be real cautious with Apple and other companies like that, like a Netflix, that have been real hot and popular over the past couple of months. They've priced in every piece of great news possible, and the market has as well. Look at the run that it's gone from early December until just last week. Everything needs to take a little bit of a break. We need a breather in here, including these hot stocks. I think the earnings season is going to be more of a case of sell the news as opposed to keep pumping these stocks higher and higher and higher. However, the opportunity is going to be key when we see the sell-offs and the corrections to start selectively picking your spots, because this bull market is far from over. Apple, in my opinion, will continue to lead, but after we see some breathing and some correcting periods of time here in the short term.
You know, Keenan, I think you answered my next question, which is, look, if you're an ordinary investor, not a big institution, but an ordinary
I'm inside your head, Stuart.
Yeah, you are. Watch out. You never know what you're going to find. But if you're an ordinary investor, you're watching this program, you want to play in this ballpark. You want a piece of the action as it moves away from desktops and laptops and moves to smartphones. How do you play it? What do you buy? How do you play it?
I think you mentioned a great analogy that I'll continue with. You said the word ballpark. Do what the great baseball players do, and then leave the bat on your shoulder for a few minutes here. These big popular stocks, and including the stock market itself, are all due for a little bit of a correction. I don't think it's going to get out of hand. 10 or 15 or 20% I don't think is likely. But we could easily see 3, 4, even 7 or 8% correction in the S&P 500, which could pull stocks like Apple and Verizon and these other major players down anywhere from 5 to 15% over coming weeks. Leave the bat on your shoulder, wait it out a little bit, and then when you start to see softening prices, start to take advantage of the opportunity, and I think that's where it lies.
You're making a lot of sense. Keenan Hauke, thanks for joining us.
Oh, come on now, Stuart.
Yeah, you are. You're agreeing with me.
Have a great day.
Thanks very much, Keenan. We learned...